Yeah, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is cold and early as fuck. This is when you know fall and winter are coming. So if you guys saw from the last video, my car was not drivable at all. Last night I went ahead and installed one SPC camber arm on the driver's side, and this is how much camber I got. This is just from eyeballing it, and some of my buddies are saying this is like -4, -4.5, and it clears, but you guys can see that the toe, it is very toe out, so the back is going out more when it should be in. It's still not gonna clear here, I think, so I might have to go more negative, but this might be able to get me to the alignment shop. Today we are going to tackle this, so I'm gonna install it onto this side. Look what came in today though. Damn, I finally have a black license plate. This is really dope because if people see me on the road, they could Snapchat me or Instagram and they could like write something. They can be like, Jason is a bitch. But anyways, let's go ahead and tackle this one, and hopefully we can get all of that torque down and finished. We can go to an alignment shop and I can go get my tires flipped, just because I want to be safe, you know, especially if I'm running this much negative camber. I mean, hopefully it'll look good and hopefully it can drive. I have not driven my car in like 6 days. I really want to drive it, so fingers crossed. Let's get it. First thing you're gonna want to do is take off the lugs, but not fully. You're just gonna break the torque just so it could be easier to take off. Plus, when you jack this up, the car's gonna be spinning when you try to take it off. So let's go ahead and do this now. So now that we have everything off, I take off this bolt or the ABS. Once you break it loose, you can just loosen it by hand. And this is the arm that we're replacing right here. So there's a 24 mil and a 19 all the way in there. That one's the hardest one to get out. What I like to do, since this gets in the way, I just put it right here and I use painter's tape and just tape it around this. And now you have room to go all the way back there. All right, so I got both nuts out. This one just slides through, comes off like that. You might have to like wiggle this around or hammer it out, and then that bolt will come out as well. And then we can go ahead and install the SPC camber arm. I am going to adjust it as close to OEM as possible, because that's what you have to do to get it to fit. And then you can adjust the camber while it's on the car. All right guys, I put it down just to test fit. This is how it looks. Just adjust it the way I had it. So that's just kind of eyeballing it. I want to say the camber for this is probably like -4. The toe is really bad for this one too, but you can see the camber. You can see the camber. I think I'm just gonna leave it like this. The toe is bad, so it's gonna drive like shit. I'm gonna be burning tires. I'm gonna torque everything down as best as I can, and then I'm gonna take it to an alignment shop. Wish me luck. Bro, this is where I'm trying to be at right now. Fuck. I'm gonna have to go that much camber. So I just made it to built to spec. This is where I'm gonna get the alignment done. It doesn't look like too much camber from here. I just want to be able to drive it. Hey, you look badass in it though. Oh, hey princess. Damn, they're doing my alignment. And they have dinner for me? You guys gotta go to this place. Nah, you gotta show me later. Alright guys, so we have a little good news, bad news. I don't know which one you guys want first. So I'm gonna give you guys the good news, as it's pretty obvious. I can drive the car now. The bad news is that I had to go -7 degrees camber in the back. I've never had any car more than -3. So this is like, I don't know what to expect. I don't know how it's gonna drive on the freeway. I'm shitting bricks, but it clears. It rubs a tiny bit. I want to say mild, closer to moderate, because I'm sure like on the freeway there's a lot of grooves and it's gonna rub, but it only rubs against the rear bumper itself because my tires are too fat. Where the quarter panel meets the bumper, it clears. That's all I wanted to clear for the main part besides the fender itself. So it's good. It looks fucking tight. It makes my car look slammed from the rear, but then now it looks a little bit higher from the front. I have not driven this car in like a week, so I'm gonna go fill it up with gas, wash it finally, and then we'll see how it looks. I'll give you guys a whole walk around and maybe get like a little flyby, but I'm so hyped. Those dudes over at Built to Spec, Dom, you're not gonna be watching this, but dude, you killed it. You 2G, thank you guys so much. You guys gotta go check out that shop. I'm gonna leave their Instagram in the description below. Dude, so hyped. All right guys, made it back home. I miss driving my car so much. It doesn't look too bad on camera, but that is -7. The only thing I'm bummed about is, you can see the front, I have about like this much tire, and then the rear, there's like none. It looks pretty okay. It's not the worst thing. Could be better fitment, but it drives, and that's all that matters. Damn, the BBKs though. So I'm gonna go ahead and probably update you guys in a few days. I'm gonna drive the car around to see how -7 degrees camber feels like. Pretty much break in the new brakes. I heard after a few hundred miles, they bite really well. So we'll wait on that and pretty much just enjoy my car. Pretty good. So hopefully everything drives perfectly fine. I run into no problems whatsoever, and man, I miss this car. I can't wait to drive it. So I'll see you guys in a couple days. Alright guys, so it has been a couple days. Car drives perfectly fine. The only issue that I have with running so much negative camber is probably the fact that it swerves on roads that are uneven. But other than that, it drives freaking amazing. And the brakes, I think they're still breaking in, but they're starting to bite a lot better. And honestly, it feels great. I absolutely love it. I love the way it looks. Still looking amazing. And we got a package today. Guys, my buddy Thuc sent this over from Minnesota, and you may know him as 3IS Ronin. I'll put his Instagram right here, and I'm gonna show you a picture of his car. It is probably one of my favorite wide bodies out there because he went ahead and molded it, so it's super unique. Honestly, I can't believe he sent this to me. Thank you so much. We are gonna throw this on the car tonight. Super unexpected, but I'm super excited. You guys want to see what it is? Because I sure do. Guys, I can't believe it. He freaking sent me H&R spacers just to help me out because he knew that I didn't want to be running -7 camber just to clear my tires. What a freaking homie, dude. These are expensive. It even came with extended lugs too. This was like the main issue because I was gonna go ARP, but ARP is like 44 bucks for 5 studs, so then 2 sides I would need 10. Originally I was gonna throw this on the rear just so I can reduce my camber back down to, or I mean back up to maybe like -4, be a little bit more modest and not wear out my tires so much, but that would involve me getting another alignment, and I don't want to spend another 80 bucks on an alignment when I just got one. So I think I'm just gonna rock this setup for a little while. I am gonna throw these on the rear when I do rebuild the wheels, because in the long run I only want to run a 10 mil for the rest of this car's life, because 20 is gonna be a lot of stress on the wheel bearing. What I'm gonna do now though is throw these on the front, because I'm sure you guys can tell the fitment is pretty damn bad. A 10 mil might help this out. We're not trying to spend any more money. We're just trying to get this looking decent and driving okay. We're gonna head over to the All Aspects warehouse because my buddy Andy is actually gonna help me install these. So I'll see you guys then. All right, guys, so we just made it to All Aspects and it's pretty fucking lit. Yo!
What's up, bro?
What up, man? You ready to do it?
Yeah, I'm ready. Finishing up right now.
No worries. You need any help with anything?
Good for now.
I'm so hyped.
10 mil?
Yeah, I already showed them. All right, Andy, moment of truth. I'm gonna take these out for the extended studs. I've never done this before and you have, so you can do the honors and just fuck shit up. No fucking way, that's it?
Yeah, that's it.
That's
Slides out right
insane.
there.
Dude, Andy, thank you so much for teaching me something new. Holy shit. All right, guys, so we ran into an issue, but we got it fixed. They are on, but they're not on all the way, as you can tell. Andy left back to his house. He lives about like 15-20 minutes away. He's grabbing his impact gun so it can make it a lot easier for us. Other than that, everything's been going good. Way better than I thought, so I think this might work out. Because usually when I work on my car, things always tend to go wrong. This is also the first time I've ever been here alone, and it's kind of big and really scary without music. On the bright side, my car looks freaking sick. Fuck yeah, Andy came through with the impact gun.
Got everything on.
Imagine it doesn't fit. All right, let's get this wheel on. ARP was for sure longer though.
Yeah, for sure. Way longer. Damn.
Better, right?
Yeah, good.
Clears.
It's clear.
Damn, that looks a million times better. Holy shit. Andy, what do you think?
100 times better.
Hot boy AF.
Oh boy, yeah. Yeah, I really spaced it out so much more.
That's like the perfect amount, I think. Dude, this isn't even all the way down. The fitment looks freaking great. So flush. Dude, Andy, thank you so much.
Dude, good stuff.
Fuck.
You killed it.
If you ever need help on your car, for your future car that's coming up, I'll help you, whatever you need. All right, guys, it is currently the next day. We finished everything and I just washed the car. She is looking phenomenal. Damn. The camber and the front fitment is way better now. So much better. There you guys have it. The brakes are freaking great. That was the first time I actually really stepped on it really hard and it didn't skid. I think I was going about like 45, 50 miles per hour and I think that broke so fast. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a like, comment, and please subscribe. We are well on our way to 10K and I can't thank you guys enough for 5K. That is so crazy. I never thought I would hit this milestone. I'm honestly so proud of myself and I'm so thankful for all of you guys and your support. I'll catch you guys in the next video. And don't forget, it's always better to look good than to feel good. Oh!
Every time I see a WRX and I don't see those brakes, I'm like, oh, come on, bruh.
It's not an STI. But you can like go fast, it doesn't matter, I'll keep up with you.
You can try.
To you, baby. Look into my eyes,